So work evenly to get it down. And if you need to, you can also use steam on these corners to help. Just be very gentle at the bottom where the seams come together. Once you get it on there, just keep working the seat cover down. What he's doing now is trying to line up the two center marks. We've got a notch in the back vinyl, and then the cloth front also has a mark on it. And just gonna pull those two together and start it in the center. So as we work to the edge right here, you'll see that we have the pull cord just like we showed you on the bottom. What you would want to do is just attach it to the seat frame bar here with another hog ring, and just keep working to that edge there with the hog rings one at a time. So now that we've gotten towards the edge, it's a lot easier. You don't have to have somebody pulling and tugging for you to be able to close up the gap there. So we'll finish this up. We'll be ready to mate the backrest to the seat bottom and just finish up some of the trim, and we'll be all done.